Woo, this is a lot of hair that you get in one bundle. That's a lot of hair. I just love this hairstyle. Like, okay, listen, 2023 Bohemian Me Please. These braids are so gorgeous. They took me about 10 hours to complete. They will last you a good 4 to 6 weeks with proper care. However, I left mine in for 1 week. I'm back again with another braided video. Y'all know I love the human hair braids. They eat every time. So if you see my last video, I actually cut off hair from a human hair wig. Go check out that video. I'll leave the link down below. But this time, Ywigs sent your girl some human hair bundles. Okay, so I was sent 4 bundles, 16, 18, 20, and 22 inches. And this is water wave texture. And look at the top. See, it's straight human hair, no track. Girl, order these bundles. And they look pretty thick. So last time I did small braids. Today, I'm going to do them a little larger. I'm going to be using this BTL braiding jam to put at the top of the human hair to make it easier when I go to add the hair into my hair. Because I'm not going to be using any other hair besides this human hair. Because that's the look that I'm going for. Like a nice flowy bohemian look. And then also to define my curls during the process, I will be using this detangling spray. And I don't know, for some reason I like to start my braids off in the front. So I'm gonna start off with the 16 inch and let me show you how I prep it for the braids. Woo, this is a lot of hair that you get in one bundle. That's a lot of hair. That's good. Okay, so I'm gonna split this up maybe like into 4s. When I was watching people videos on this, they would complain that you would have like a little shedding from the top. Let's see if it's any shedding from this, or is it just straight bundles? Okay. No shedding. These are like long pieces. Those are like 2-3 long pieces. Okay. No little baby pieces of hair. Perfect. Let me split this again. This is a lot of hair. Okay, so you see we have this that's just really loose. What I'm going to do is take some of my edge control and put it on the ends of the hair just to make it more manageable. See that? Now it's easier for me to pull my sections apart. And I'm thinking about using sections about this size. Need a little bit more edge control, just go in and get your sun curl on. So see, everything else is still put together. I'll just sit this to the side, take my Shears Balm glue, get my 3 sections. So I'm starting off with a braid. Grab it. And I ain't gonna lie, it's a little tricky adding in this hair. Okay, so everything's in. Braid it down a bit. And I'm going to take out a piece of the human hair. So this one can have a little curly piece coming out at the top. And then just continue to braid down again. And take my detangling spray, put a little bit at the end. I like to comb that out. And boom, I got a curl. So I'm going to do it one more time for this piece. And now I have a little curly piece out on that one. And then this one at the top. Yeah, so these little pieces I'll cut because I know for sure that's the human hair. So here's the first 2 braids. Now, just watch me work. Like I previously stated, I did this style in another video and I got a lot of questions about did my braids unravel or what did I do to keep my braids from unraveling since I did not add a knot at the end. I have a couple reasons why. One is because I'm natural and it just stayed where it was at. And 2 is because right here you can see how the hair tapers down at the end below where my actual hair stops. And the last reason I feel it doesn't unravel is because I also add product to the end of my hair, whether it's edge control or Gorilla Snot, to help it not unravel as well. Okay, I'm on my last row. It's been about 2.5 hours. Top all complete. Now I'm ready to do this. Oh yeah, so for the front, I still have all of this left of the 16-inch. So much hair. But I'm done with that for now. And since I'm ready to do this bottom row right here, I'm gonna use the 22-inch. I'll be back when I done got some work done. The back is done. And in the back, I started to add in a little bit more hair. I have more than enough hair with these 4 bundles. Let's get it. I gotta keep going. Okay, so I'm still on the 22-inch. Y'all, this is so much hair. So much hair in one bundle. Look at all this hair. This is what you want. So at first I was just adding in 3 pieces, but I'm ready to add in like 5 pieces per braid. Gotta make sure my shit thick. So now I'm just gonna pull out a piece of hair, add a little gorilla snot to my ends, because your girl is natural. And then braid down, and then I'm gonna add in another piece of hair, add in another piece of hair, and just braid that down. You see here, I had a curly piece at the end, and then I have 3 pieces that I pulled out. So I can make sure my hair is full and thick. Yeah. I need snacks when braiding my hair. Okay, little update. It's been like a whole nother 2 hours, but I completed 2 more rows. Still on the 22-inch, and then I'm going to go to the 18-inch. I'm gonna skip over the 20-inch altogether, but you can see here it is getting thicker and fuller. Let me match this side. Now we got it's 12:30 in the morning. Coming along. 2 more sections. Why does this hairstyle take so long? But at the end, it's like it'd be so worth it. So I still got this much 20-inch left and this much 16-inch left. So I'm ready to go ahead and start working on the 18-inch. I'm so sleepy. Are we there yet? No. It is 3:30 in the morning. I'm talking about something. Hopefully I'll be done in 8 hours. Girl, I started like 6 o'clock, but I only have 2 more rows left. Maybe about 6 braids. I just love this hairstyle. Like, I love this hairstyle. Like, it doesn't get any better than this. I love the curly ends. I love it. I love it. So cute. Let me tell you, it's nothing like that last braid. How do y'all feel when you get on that last braid? Whether you're doing your hair or you have a stylist doing your hair, what is the feeling you get when you on that last braid? They're so cute. It is 4:30 in the morning. My hair is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Look at this. So light, so fluffy, so airy. 100% human hair. And last thing we're going to do is add some hair oil. Ooh, they feel good. Ooh, they feel good. Alright, that's all for now. Okay, you guys, so here's the finished look. I love it in the bun. I love it down. Like, the styles are endless. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this bulk hair and the style that we achieved today.
All right, you guys, I love you, and I'll see you next time.